Hi guys and gals, see where you can come and enjoy this on a regular basis in Bahías de Huatulco. Stay tuned. And we're in Bacaanda in Bahías de Huatulco, and I'm going to show you a beautiful beach club that you can come to. And this is, ¿cómo se llama? José Armando. Está precioso. La Palapa. Muchísimas gracias. The service was great. He's here from 11 in the morning till 6 at night, 7 days a week. First, I want to show you how you can come down to this very tranquil, placid beach and enjoy. Isn't that beautiful? I'm doing a 360 here. Now I'm doing a shout out for people who have trouble going up steps. These are tiny, easy steps. And then we have ramp all the way. Fred's going to show you how easy it is to bring someone with you who is in a walker or has a hard time doing steps or even in a wheelchair. This is the place they can enjoy themselves also. Great job, Fred. Thanks for showing us. Now let's look around the pool, the deck chairs, the beach. It feels private. Listen. How relaxing. Just de-stressing. So those were the restrooms. Here are the sunbeds. And there are more sunbeds right on the deck by the beach. I'm letting you use this video as your dream board. For sure, Fred and I have found a new happy place to go and relax. Bacaanda Beach Club, Santa Cruz, Oaxaca, a part of life in Huatulco. Fred, was the food good?
Excellent.
That's it. Please subscribe to Life in Huatulco. Hit like and share.